Guess who? Hello? I can't hear a thing. Oh, that's better. Hello? Yes, your wooden Indian will be ready this afternoon. The price is $10. Goodbye.
Good work, my boy. You got him. Here's the $10,000, and I'll take him right now. All right, Chief Charlie Horse, I'm taking you to jail.
Wow, $10,000 for one wooden Indian. I didn't even have it finished.
Why, you crooked little deadbeat, trying to pass off a wooden Indian on me. Here's the one I want. He's around here someplace. I'd better take one more look around.
Hey, Sheriff, I got him this time. Give me the $10,000 reward.
Knock, knock. So, the wooden Indian again, eh? Get out!
I'll bring him in again and show you he's real.
That's right. Take him away. Good scalp. No dandruff. Now, me scalp him.
Where's the steak?
You tied to stake. wooden Indian.
Here he comes.
So, a paper Indian this time. Now get! You got him this time. Good boy. Here's the reward. Come on, you varmint. You go to jail this time, Chief Charlie Horse. Give me wampum. Wooden nickels.